Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a road trip, follow up and go check out Project 211. Can't believe it's been several years already. For those of you who don't recognize the name, it was a 211 acre investment property that was just got too big for us to handle, out of control. So I redid all of the CRP from grassland into tree planting for the strategy of the property, because the tree planting is a lot easier to maintain than the CRP grassland. So it should be a jungle in there. We got some snow on the ground, should be a pretty drone flight, so let's go check it out. All right, it's pretty windy up here. It's all on hills, so we're gonna see how it's gonna fly, but this little thing does pretty good. There's the pond. Oh, I love this filter on this drone. We should be able to see some of the pines sticking up, because I know if you walk the ground, I've heard from Justin and the owner that the pines are in pretty thick in a lot of places, like 8-10 foot high. Although, oh, there they are. There's them pines. I gotta find the spots where I planted them. The rest of this is still in grassland CRP. Right, I know by this watering hole here, we planted a bunch of pines. All right, so this area over here, basically on the other side of this path, is a pine planting. But keep in mind, there was a lot of oaks already in here that were like, 2 to 3 inches at the base, but they had been bush hogging for years. So it's a mix of kind of natural regen oaks and all the loblolly pine that we planted in here as well. That was all part of the plan. Okay, this is a huge part of this plan here. This is an oak right here, and these are all over the place. Root system is all in place, and they're going to come up super fast, provided we don't have any issues with the government folks on this planting. Evidently it's something they need to talk about, so hopefully it's minor, but this is really the main focus of this planting. These oaks mixed with the pines are going to be just beautiful future forest right here. Yeah, at least on this small screen I can't tell. So this side of this hill, them are all pines right there, I could see, that we planted. And there's also oaks mixed in there that were due to come up on their own, basically as part of the CRP tree planting. So in talking to Justin over the last year or so, I asked him how the property was doing, and he said them pines are like 8, 10, some 12 footers. And in the mix of the pine and oak forests, if you will, you can't even walk through them. So it's fantastic deer habitat. And it's like 80 some acres less that they don't have to continually maintain in the CRP grassland part of it. Oh wow, look at that, man. That's beautiful. Uh-oh, weak signal. Wow, it's still Them pines were beautiful. Get up higher, so I'm losing my signal now. Strong wind warning. Alright, time to head back out. Trying out the return to home. Oh, that's pretty. Give me strong wind warnings. It's beautiful property. I know this whole front area was a big block of pines up here too. Should be up here by the road where I planted, I don't remember how many rows of them. Kind of to make cover for the inside of the property. That looks like pines right here. I guess this place is a jungle. I talked to Justin, and you know, in the warm season, he said you can't even walk through this stuff. So the plan worked. Not only did it, you know, he still got income from the CRP tree planting, but it's also a great hunting property. There's a storage container, the camper they got rid of. Pretty sure I put some rows here, yep. Right along the road, I just put, I don't remember, half a dozen rows maybe, just as another kind of block, you know, along the road. Alright, well that's it for the sky tour. Beautiful looking place, and this is the ND 128 filter. So hope to see you on another video. Not bad. Get a little bit of fresh air, kinda, vicariously with the drone.